In today's video, I'm going to show you how to create a complete daily workflow in Obsidian so you can plan your day, capture ideas, stay on top of your tasks, and reflect on your progress, all inside one powerful connected system. Obsidian is a local-first Markdown-based note-taking app loved by writers, knowledge workers, and productivity enthusiasts because everything lives as plain text files that you always own and control. If this sounds like exactly what you've been looking for, please like and subscribe for more Obsidian guides, and let's get started. The first thing you'll do is open Obsidian and select the vault you want to work in. A vault is simply a folder on your computer that Obsidian treats as your workspace. If you're brand new, creating one takes about 10 seconds. Click Open Folder as Vault, choose a location, and you're inside. Next, you need to turn on the Daily Notes feature, which ships with Obsidian as a core plugin but starts disabled. Head to Settings, the gear icon at the bottom of the left sidebar. Then click Core Plugins and scroll down until you see Daily Notes. Toggle it on. Core plugins are official, well-tested features that Obsidian keeps switched off by default to keep the interface uncluttered until you actually need them. Before you create your first note, take a moment to configure Daily Notes properly. Back in Settings, you'll now see a Daily Notes section in the left menu. Set a dedicated folder for your notes, something like Daily Notes or Journal, and choose a date format for file names. The default YYMMDD format is the right choice. It sorts every note chronologically without any effort, so finding any past day is instant. Now generate your first daily note. Click the small calendar icon in the left sidebar, and Obsidian instantly creates a new file named with today's date inside your chosen folder. You can also open the command palette with Ctrl-P or Command-P and search for Open Today's Daily Note. Either way, you now have a blank canvas for the day. A blank page every morning isn't very useful, so the real power comes from a template. Enable the Templates core plugin in Settings, point it at a Templates folder, and create a file inside called something like Daily Note Template. Build out sections for goals, tasks, notes, meeting notes, decisions, and reflections. Once your template is linked in the Daily Notes settings, Obsidian will fill every new daily note with that structure automatically. No reinventing your workflow each morning. Start each day in the Goals section. Write down your 1 to 3 most important objectives, the things that, if completed, would make the day genuinely successful. Keeping this list deliberately short is the point. When everything is a priority, nothing is, and naming your top goals first anchors the entire day around what actually matters most. Below that, build a task checklist using Obsidian's Markdown checkboxes. You type a hyphen, a space, and square brackets with a space inside, and Obsidian renders that as an interactive checkbox you can tick off as you work. This running list captures everything you need to handle, and checking items off creates a small but real sense of forward momentum as the day unfolds. Add a section for scheduled activities, meetings, appointments, calls, deadlines. Even if you maintain a separate calendar, writing these into your daily note means you have one document that captures your full day. You won't be switching between apps to remember what's coming up in an hour. As the day progresses, use the Notes section to capture ideas the moment they occur to you. One of Obsidian's genuine strengths is speed. You can reach today's note in 2 keystrokes, drop a thought in, and return to what you were doing. Don't filter or edit in the moment. Just get it down and revisit it later when you have the space to think. This is also where Obsidian's linking system becomes invaluable. Whenever you mention a project, a person, or a piece of research, wrap that word in double square brackets to create a live link. Writing 2 square brackets around Q3 campaign, for example, connects your daily note directly to your project note for that campaign. Over weeks and months, this builds a web of context that shows you how your daily work relates to everything else in your knowledge base. Tags add another layer of organization. Putting #daily on every note makes it trivial to filter them in search. Adding #meeting to any meeting summary or #decision to a key choice means you can pull up those specific entries the moment you need them without remembering exactly which day they landed on. Throughout the day, keep returning to your task list and checking items off as you finish them. Updating your note in real time turns it into an honest log of what actually happened, not just a plan that became outdated by mid-morning. Before you close out for the evening, write a few sentences in your reflections section. Note what you accomplished, what surprised you, and what you would handle differently. This habit is one of the most reliable ways to learn from experience and gradually improve the quality of your work over time. Then scan your task list one final time. Anything unfinished that still needs doing should be moved to tomorrow's note so nothing falls through the cracks and you start the next morning with a realistic carryover list already in place. Once you've built up a week of daily notes, take 15 minutes for a weekly review. Look across the 7 entries for patterns, recurring blockers, tasks you keep deferring, goals you consistently reach, and use those observations to make next week sharper. Weekly reviews are the compounding interest of a solid daily system. The workflow only delivers its full value if you show up to it every day, so consistency is the real skill to develop. Use the same template, open your daily note first thing each morning, and close it out each evening. After a few weeks, it becomes second nature, and then let it evolve. As you live inside the system, you'll discover sections you never use and gaps you want to fill. Adjust your template, experiment with new tags, trim what doesn't serve you. The workflow should fit your life, not the other way around. You now have a complete daily workflow in Obsidian, one that handles your planning, your tasks, your ideas, your meetings, and your reflections in a single connected, searchable, future-proof place. Save this video and come back to it whenever you need to revisit a step, and I'll see you in the next one.